Sicam has been in business for 30 years, and we started in the 3D printing business. Back then it was called rapid prototyping. With the advances of the technologies in 3D printing, gives us the ability to not only make prototypes, but now we're making parts for people in small lot productions, 50 parts, 100 parts, 250 parts. COVID hit, and it was disastrous for in the beginning in January. The last 2 months have been some of our better months. I think it's responding to leads like we never were able to respond before, getting stuff out and organizing all that stuff. We just started doing a lot of this reporting and management, so it's just going to get better and better from here. I finally feel that we got the data organized in a structured manner. That's a comfortable thing, as opposed to, as the business builds up and you start seeing the growing pains and chaos. I think the time we spent putting together the system and structuring the sales process is going to help us get over growing pains and not see those growing pains, because the structure that we put together, I feel, can accept a lot of growth as far as on the sales side and managing those sales. Well, because you have a process in place that's there, so it's easier to explain, how we do business and what are the steps to build on your accounts, and instead of just throwing them out there with, a loose agenda as far as how you're supposed to, service your accounts and work on leads and get those leads and what to do with leads. So it's a roadmap in doing that. So it helps them understand the process and where you're at and where you want to go. And I think that's, the biggest advantage of organizing all this information. At the point where, you get people sending in, especially now we're seeing more and more leads come in from the web, and you got to deal with those customers, and then you got to keep track of where they are, keep track of the new leads and get them in the system, and then somebody to deal with them. Without some structure to deal with that, you're just getting leads in that just never get taken care of or attended. You can see, how long it's before you respond to the leads. You can see, you can manage the prospects. What you have for managing prospects just wasn't in there in regular Dynamics. To look at, when was the last time this person was called on, seeing all the history on it, and keeping that on track. And, because whether you do shows or you do advertising, leads cost you money. And if you're not reacting to the leads, then it's money not spent. Well, you've gotten feedback from real live people as we need, and that's incorporated in the product. And, the salesman now can just go to one page, and what they like is things on one pane. They say, oh, I don't have to go back and forth to look at this stuff. Sky's the limit. I mean, the whole Microsoft platform with your product and everything else, there's pretty much nothing you can't do. I thank you for the help of getting this up. We wouldn't have been here without your help. I've always enjoyed working with your group of people. You guys are there to help us, and you do that very well.